Alright class, this is number 81. At some point during this video you can pause it and see if you can try and solve it. I'll try and set it up for you. Here is the x and y axis. It says we have a vector that's 45 pounds. So when they tell you pounds, that's the magnitude. So this vector's the vector force 1 is 45 pounds, and it says it goes in the x direction. Okay, and then we have another vector that's 60 pounds. So I'll try and draw them a little bit longer. Okay, and it's at some angle. We don't know what that angle is, but it's at some angle with the x-axis. Okay, and when I add these two vectors together, remember when you add vectors together, it's tip to tail. So I would add this vector up here. It just shifts from down here to up here. Okay, and it's still going to be 45 pounds, so it still has a length of 45. The result is 90. So the result here would be 90 pounds. Okay, so what does it say? It says we're supposed to find the angle between the forces given the magnitude. So we're trying to find that green angle down here. Okay, that green angle theta. Okay, now something that's going to help you with this problem is that green angle. Maybe at this point I pause it and see if you can solve it from here. Okay, hopefully you paused it and tried to solve it. But that green angle is going to be the same as this green angle. Well, why does that matter? Well, my hint is law of cosines. Okay, so hopefully you paused the video and now that you saw that you could solve it. If not, I'll walk you through what I would do to solve it. I would solve for this angle first using law of cosines, and then I know this red angle, call it phi. This red angle phi and the green angle theta are going to add up to 180 degrees. So all I would have to do is solve for the red angle and subtract 180 minus that red angle to get the green angle. So mathematically, how would that look? Well, we're going to say the cosine of phi is going to equal 60 squared plus 45 squared minus 90 squared divided by 2 times 60 times 45. Okay, make sure all of it's in parentheses. I grab my calculator here and I put it in correctly. Take the inverse cosine of 60 squared plus 45 squared minus 90 squared divided by 2 times 60 times 45. And I get 117 degrees for phi. 0.3 doesn't matter. And then to find theta, to find my green angle theta, I'm going to take 180 minus phi to get theta. So theta in this case would be 180 minus this, 62.7 degrees. And that's what the book says I should get for an answer.